नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Sri Mahants, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars, visitors, viewers sitting with us all over the world, and Sri Suryanarayan Swamiji from Vishwakarma Peeta. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Cities sitting with us all over the world: Phoenix, Kanchipuram Adinam, Nityanandeshwara Hindu Temple, Charlotte, Toronto Adinam, Los Angeles Peetam, Hyderabad Gupta Kashi, Singapore Singapuram, Nityanandeshwara Temple, Pudukottai, Indrani, New Jersey, Ohio, Prayag, Hong Kong, Sirgadi, St. Louis, Tirumala Adinam, High Pine, North Carolina, Jorpati, Nepal, Houston, Kalahasti Temple, San Jose, Madurai, Seattle, Chidambaram, Nityanandanagar, Rajabalayam Adinam, Oman, Sivagangai, Bengaluru North, Kuala Lumpur, Palani Adinam, High Pine, North Carolina, Los Angeles, Hollywood, Amersfoort, Netherlands, and Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, Ravensburg, Germany, and more cities are joining. I welcome all of you. Tiruvannamalai Adinam, Sugarland, Texas Adinam, I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, Skandasashti Mahotsava, 6th day, when Subramanya transformed Surapadma into his vehicle and glory flag. Today is the day we are observing the Skandasashti 6th day. Let's enter into today's satsang. Listen, please listen intensely, listen carefully. I'm going to expand and explain this Mahadeva's revelation, having completion with Advaitic principle, with the Advaita Siddhanta, with Advaita itself. Please understand, understanding the principles of Advaita is law of your life. That is the flow of your life. and having completion with it completely. Everything, all spiritual religious process on the planet Earth, everything, all the spiritual religious process on the planet Earth, whether it is a building a temple or ashram, Goshala, Veda Patashala, or doing a pranayama, kriya, yoga, puja, homa, it can be anything, any act, but finally to help you to make complete with the Advaita, help you to experience completion with Advaita. Understand? Helping you to live Dharma, Dhamma. I wanted all of you to understand the power of the spiritual truths. Please understand, when you experience completion with Advaita, everything Advaita promises will become reality in your life. Ability to understand everything, ability to move everything, literally omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient, able to understand everything, move everything, align everything as you want. That is what I call completion with Advaita. With any principle, with any law of life, when you experience completion, all the things promised through that principle becomes part of you. See, it is like if you are complete with your father and mother, whatever belongs to them belongs to you. Whether it is social influence, contacts, money, knowledge, whatever is theirs becomes yours. Actually, in the young age, having completion with father and mother deeply, at least till the age of 14, helps you to understand completion. I am telling you. That is why I insist. If the child is not in the Gurukul, of course, if he is in the Gurukul, he is learning completion with the cosmos itself. The child is not in the Gurukul. If you are bringing up your child with you, this should be the basic condition. It should be all the time playing in your lap. Whenever the child is with you in the house, whenever time permits, there should be tremendous friendliness and completion. Many Westerners can't understand when I say sometimes in my satsangs and programs, till I left the house, I used to always sleep in the same bed with my mother. Westerners can't understand. In India, it is a lifestyle. The children always sleep with the mother or the father. Even that word sleeping with has been polluted and corrupted. I am telling you, children, playing with the father and mother, spending time as much as possible brings tremendous completion to the kids and makes them understand what is completion. How completion empowers you, makes you strong. When you experience completion with Advaita, everything belongs to Advaita, belongs to you. Everything belongs to the Dharma, belongs to you. Understand, everything belongs to Dhamma, belongs to you. Everything belongs to Mahadeva, belongs to you. Whether it is building a temple or creating a yantra or using a meditation technique, whatever may be done, everything is done just to make you experience that great truth, Shivoham. 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 Everything is just to make you experience Shivoham. Listen. In Vedic tradition, we even use herbs. So many things to experience Shivoham, to experience the Advaitic oneness, to awaken Kundalini. First time ever, I am going to reveal that science experientially to all of you in Cambodia Inner Awakening, using the yantras, herbs, mantras, like Patanjali says, Mani Mantra Aushadha, using all the three, Mani Mantra Aushadha, using herbs, yantras, mantras, to give you the experience of Shivoham, the largest yantra ever built on the planet Earth to experience the Advaitic oneness is Cambodia. And the greatest mantra, Shivoham, oneness with Mahadeva, and the ultimate yantra, Cambodia, ultimate mantra, Shivoham, and ultimate tantra technique, the master's presence. Technique, the master's presence. When all the three merges, the real alchemy happens. Shivoham. The whole Cambodia is going to reverberate with the truth, Shivoham. First time, the whole program is going to be directly working on experiencing the transcendental state of Shivoham. Transcendental experience of Shivoham. No theories. no theologies, no philosophies, direct experience. No theories, no theologies, no philosophies, direct experience. The whole 21 days, it is going to be directly experiencing. Kriyas, mudras, bandhas, pranayamas, the Siddha herbs, everything is going to be used to awaken your Kundalini Shakti, to give you the experience of Shivoham, especially working on your third eye, awakening your third eye. The Cambodia inner awakening is not going to be anything to do with society. It is nothing to be completion with others. It has nothing to do with others. It is just something to do with only you and cosmos. It is nothing to do with it is nothing to do with between you and the humanity. It is something to do with only between you and the cosmos. The mystical dimensions of Shivoham, not just the intelligent dimension of Advaita, energy dimension of Advaita. Understand? The present inner awakening is more intelligence dimension of Advaita, making you live peacefully, blissfully, happily with you, within you and with others who are around you, and completing with all of them, and causing your reality, others' reality using the intelligence. Intelligence is the first priority. But the whole Cambodia inner awakening, the energy is the first priority. Shakti. The Shakti of Advaita. The mystical powers of Advaita. Mystical experiences of Advaita, the trance of Advaita. The word trance is abused in English, so I should use the word transcendental space. The Samadhi. The word trance is used in English like a psychedelic states you experience after taking drug. So I don't want to use that word. That word has already been spoiled. I'll use the word transcendental, Advaitic space, transcendental, Advaita Anubhava. So the mystical experience, mystical experience, understand? The mystical experience dimension of Advaita. The power dimension of Advaita. You are going to experience that. You are going to experience that. Experience the powerfulness of Shivoham. to the transcendental state of Advaita. Transcendental experience of Advaita. Only when you experience the powers of Advaita, you will have a complete trust and completion over Advaita, I tell you. Just the intelligence, you may think, oh, it's out of my intelligence I did. You will forget the intelligence came from your Advaitic understanding. But powers, you will never be able to forget. Let us experience Advaita from the dimension of its powers. Today, even this Subramania's Skandasashti is nothing but demonstration of power of Advaita. Mahadeva's third eye opens and Surapadma is destroyed. I don't want to say the word killed, because Surapadma was divided into two, and one part becomes the peacock, the other part becomes the flag, emblem of Subramania. Even this is the expression of Advaita. So essence of today's satsang, experience completion with powers of Advaita, so that you will start feeling the completion with Advaita, living Advaita, enjoying Advaita. With this, I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
Nityananda Dhyanapītam, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.